Rockford's getting glimpses of the hotter and more extreme weather just mentioned a second ago. 2021 was the fourth hottest year on record, and we've seen four top 10 hottest years in just over a decade. Since 2012, 4 of those years have been in the top 10. Same with dry conditions. Fifth driest year on record. We're still in drought right now. This is over the last roughly 20 years, but still looking at 4 of those years in the top 10. So glimpses at how Rockford might be trending here. Definitely hotter and possibly drier, or at least seeing more extreme ends of drier years moving forward. Now, just because we have hotter conditions moving forward doesn't mean the day-to-day weather can't get cold. Today, only in the middle teens, but we're going to be up a good 20 degrees later this week, possibly starting as early as tomorrow. Now, right now, wind chills are hovering right near 0. The wind is fairly calm, so this is probably a reflection more of the actual air temperature, but where the breeze is kicking up, you can see Beloit, DeKalb, a few spots below 0, and that's about where we start out tomorrow morning. Temperature-wise, down to -4 tonight, thanks to clear and calm conditions. Thankfully, the calm winds, we don't see too much of the wind chill, but when it does kick in, could see harsh values to at least kick off tomorrow morning. But look how dramatically we warm up. Temperature-wise, we're jumping all the way into the 30-degree range after about 6 o'clock. So we go from sub-zero to nearly above freezing over the course of about 12 hours. That also means those wind chills improving, going from the minus teens to the positive teens over the course of the day under a bright sunny sky. And looking at pretty mild weather moving forward then, Wednesday through Friday, hovering just above freezing in the afternoon. So that may help thaw out any lingering ice from that freezing rain event that we had this past weekend. Take note, though, a little snow hinted in the forecast along with some colder temperatures later on this week. Have possibly a couple days of snow later this week. Flurries possible Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Likely not getting much from that weather system. But there is a stronger one that's on our radar right now. That's possible Friday evening into Saturday morning. That one could result in much more in the way of accumulating snow, so something to definitely keep an eye on late this week. You can see on Future Track that we'll start out Thursday with just some scattered flurries early. May get a dusting of snowfall after sunrise. That should be out pretty quickly, though, by about 9 o'clock in the morning, expecting drier conditions. And again, keep in mind, as we watch this system Friday into Saturday morning, still 4 days out. Details definitely could change, but keep a close eye on this one as we're giving you kind of the first big heads up that there could be a stronger storm on the way. That's when temperatures start to cool back off again. After being above freezing through the end of the work week, we're back down into the 20s going into the weekend and early next week. And your most accurate 10-day forecast could keep trending colder from there, down into the teens again by late next week. So we get a break for this week, but then back to that chill that we've seen lately. By the way, in our 4-degree guarantee, only up to 14 for a high today, but we were definitely on target, pushing that cash total even higher, Brittany.
Look at that jackpot. Alex, thanks for that.